Sambo comedian.
You are wonderful, you are excellent, you are marvelous. I worship you, Lord, for you are mighty. You got a whole world in your hands.
What is happening? I've not started. I've not started. Oh no. Isaiah 14:17. The money of Egyptians is our own.
Heavenly Father, you are wonderful, you are excellent, you are marvelous. I worship you, Lord, for you are mighty. You got a whole world in your hand. Heavenly Father, you are wonderful, you are excellent, you are marvelous. I worship you, Lord, for you are mighty. You got a whole world in your hand.
Start church right.
Oh no. Why am I seeing this? It's so much. Oh no, Michael! Michael, can we climb together? Oh, together! Oh! I'm a local. Oh no, no, see ya! Vacancy Peninsula. Father, you said, for whosoever that will donate money for the church building, you will bless them. Oh no. Michael, it's time. It's time. Oh, wonderful man. I know he's Jesus.
Wonderful man, I know he's Jesus. Wonderful man.
Emma. Oh no. Rotate. Break it down. Michael, don't do this to me. Michael, you promised me that the church building, they will finish it this month. Why these people don't spray money now? Oh! Why am I hearing chop life? Chop life. Oh no! Break it down. Thank you. Michael, it's now clear, it's clear. Who is Amanachi Judith? Oh! Amanachi Judith. I can hear it in my left ear. Ana manu, nanti ashiramo. Amanachi Judith. Onye na bia. What's up? Amanachi Judith. I don't break it down. Amanachi Judith. Listen, I don't know your face, but the Lord know you. You think you can run off? You think you can backflip from the Lord? You are wasting your time. Hear the voice. He said, Amanachi Judith, what are you doing with dog? What are you doing with dog? Comprehend yourself. Flee away from dog. Who is coming? Falala, falala. Why me? Why me? Father, you promised me that I will get the church building. Money for the church building here. Hey! Ojimo! Who is Chike? Break it down. It's not too clear. I hear okay. We see in parts. Take a look. We see in parts, we prophesy in parts. Okay, which one? Oh, okay, is you? Why are you not standing up? Why are you not standing up? Man, stand up! He's about. Hey, so sit down. I should be the one standing up for you. Huh. The spirit of a prophet is a subject of the formula unto the prophet. That's Hebrew 4:19. Hey, Magini, Abia. The Lord will see on a man a hard currency. What do you have to do with hard currency? Oh, my God! You are not seeing me? Oh, Evelebe, talk to someone. Evelebe, do your work. I don't want to lay a curse. Do your work, my friend. Hiba, I get back to you. I feel like calling names. Chop life. I don't have time. In this crusade camp, people will receive me. Actually, I'm not used to money. When I pray for people, I don't beg for money. Do I look like a beggar? My friend asked me, do I look like a beggar? Mommy, priceless. Gina mwa boygi. Oh no. If I don't bless you and leave, it will be a pasha. My friend, stand up. Stand up. Now listen to me. Because of you, I went to the mountain. I stayed there 40 days. But I lodged in the hotel in the night. But I cold would be too much in the mountain. Listen, New Jerusalem. I went to Jerusalem. Stop that rubbish. Stop that nonsense. If you go to the market, they sell it 7,000. But because we are in the house of the Lord, bring 15,000. Oh no! You are doubting me. Now listen, that oil has not opened it. But because I touched the oil, anybody I touch, miracle. Come here. Piano, piano. Actually, the boy did not understand what I was saying. Chinedu, comport yourself. Jam your hands up to the Lord. Oh no! I'm gonna go. I'm gonna give me something. Give me something. He's Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Samuel Comedian. Come, young man, come here. Come. You don't have value for the prophet. I've been standing here for a very long time. Now I want to leave. You gave me 3,000. God bless you. Come. Add it 1,000. Your transport. Trek, and the Lord will give you miracle. Oh, where I can't go. You go. Daddy, give me an accuracy. Give it to me. Oh no, next person. Oh yeah, stop, go back in Jesus' name. Second collection. Give me because you gave this to me. Stand up.